this tutorial, we will learn to use different masking tools in the family editor. The different masking editing tools that are available in the mask editor are the extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep, swept blend. These are the solid modeling tools of forms, and we have void forms also for the void extrusion, void blend, void revolve, void sweep, and void swept blend. In the family editor, we will take the default generic model template to start with. To do so, choose the application menu, new, family, and in the template, I will select the generic model file as the template file. Open it. I can see two lines over here. These are reference planes, and the property of the reference plane is view is displayed in the properties palette. I can see the ribbon populated with various tools. In the create tab, I have different tools to create masking objects. Here, first, we're interested to create extrusion model by using the solid form extrusion tool and the void form extrusion tool. First, we will create the solid form extrusion tool. Choose the extrusion tool from the forms panel. Here I have different sketching tools in the draw panel. I'll use various sketching tools like the line, the arc, and then I can combine these tools to use and create a form. So I'm done with the form, and then in the options bar I can specify the depth of extrusion, or I can go to the properties palette, give the extrusion end parameter as the height of extrusion from the base. I can lift the base by giving a different value or keep it at 0. Here the extrusion height is 10 feet right now. The moment if I apply and finish the mask, the modify extrusion on textual tab is displayed. Go to the view tab. I can edit the sketch by selecting it and then going for the edit extrusion tool, and then I can modify the edges and choose the finish tab tool. Here different grips are also, if you select the model, you can see different grips. You can drag them towards and deform the shapes. So once you create the solid form, you can create the void form also for the same modeling concept, the extrusion. Choose the void form tool and then choose the void extrusion option. I'll do some sketching over here. Let the depth be 10 feet. Choose the finish edit button, so you get a void form over here. So this is the extrusion tool in Revit family. Thank you. Now after creating the extrusion mask, we will learn how to use the blend tools in the masking group for the family editor. To create blend geometries, we can use the blend tool from the forms panel, or if you want to create a void form, you can use the void blend. Here first we will learn how to create the blend solid geometry. The blend geometry consists of two cross sections in the solid geometry that connects through a surface. To start with the blend geometry creation, choose the blend tool from the forms panel, and you can see the modify create blend base boundary contextual tab will be displayed. Here in the mode, you can see the edit top button. It means that if you want to create the sections for the top of the blend geometry, you can choose this button. But now we will be creating the base first. So for the base, you can select any of the tools from the sketching geometry. I am in the 3D view. So let's say I create a random cross section at the base, and then I give the depth as 12 feet. That means I am defining the elevation at which the top of the blend geometry will be placed. So now you can use again to create the top of the blend geometry. You can use the sketching tools. I'll be sketching it again a random section and choose the finish button. Now you can see a random geometry of a blend solid is created. So if you want to edit this, you can select the solid model. Either you can edit the base or the top. Here we will choose the edit base option. I can dissolve the geometry, or I can edit the geometry as per my requirement. Say I will drag this and make some basic changes over here. Finish it. Lines must be closed. I'll put the closing part over here. Drag it. Put over here. Choose a finish. I can see the edited blend geometry created. Let's try with two circles now for the blend option. Create. We'll have a void form blend. Edit top. So first we will do the base one. That the base is a circle, and for the top at the height of 12 feet, it's a circle of a lesser radius. Choose the finish. I can see a section created from both the geometries. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Next, we will learn how to use the sweep, blend and the sweep tool in the massing geometry for the family editor.